And today we cook macaroni.
We call it ziti and spaghetti. We're going to mix it.
Yes, yummy. There you go. Hi guys, good evening.
Hello.
And today we cook macaroni.
We call it ziti and spaghetti. We're going to mix it with some marinara sauce. Rustic cut is really good too. Recommend it. And then lean ground beef. So it's pretty simple. We'll start off by turning this on. She's on. I like the gas stoves. And the meat goes in.
Oops.
Boy, look at all this.
And there is the beef.
I'm just going to chop it up. So this basically is going to be a meat sauce.
Yeah.
We're going to cook this up and then we're going to put the meat into the sauce and then let the sauce cook some more. Okay, let it cook a little bit. We'll get a pot. We'll use a pot. Find a pot for the sauce. So this is cooking up now. And we're leaving some big chunks. Okay, now over here, we're going to put the sauce in. Bertolli, what do you say? Rustic cut. You want some of this? I'm mixing it over. Mix it. What do you want to start with? This? That should have been there. That one should have been there. You do half of it. There's the other half of the sauce. And here we are. Okay, you turned on the burner. The sauce, start heating it up. We keep it simple, no spices. Unless you want some garlic. We've got a half a box of spaghetti. We've already used half. So I'll put all that in there. Measure it in there. I'm going to cut them in half. There's the spaghetti. And then we're mixing some of the ziti. We're going to get a pot boiling with water. Roger, get your hands out of there. Okay, there we go. And lots of leftover, which is good. We like that. The water, the sauce, and the meat. Okay, we're going to drain the grease out now. We'll come over here, glass container, where we can put the grease in. Much easier to do it this way. Much healthier to get most of it out though. We still got to cook it some more. Okay, put it back on the flame again. Some of the big ones in half. Okay, the sauce is starting to boil. Any oil that's left in there will just burn up. Okay,
There you go. It's cooked.
this ground beef is browned up and good to go. The sauce is starting to boil, so we're going to dump this right in here.
There you go.
There's no more grease, no more fat. There we go.
There he is. Mix now to the tomato sauce. Eat this, RJ, huh? It's so yummy.
Yes, RJ's going to have some of this. He says no, but he will.
You not eat. It's so yummy, RJ.
Okay, so let that cook for a while. Here's the cover.
Here is the cover. Okay.
How's this doing?
Not yet boiling.
That's right. Okay, we have some garlic toast. That we're going to toast in the toaster oven. One, two, how many do you want?
2.
Two. There you go.
There you go. Here is.
Frozen.
It's a frozen.
Garlic
I
toast.
like that garlic
A
bread.
lot of garlic on it. Just turn it down a little bit, and I'll turn it on more later. And here, the water is getting close, not boiling yet.
Not yet well.
The sauce is boiling away. Look at that.
Yep, look at that.
We need to lower it, I think. Yeah. Lowered. So
Yeah.
we're just waiting for the water to boil so we can put the macaroni in.
Yep.
And this is getting hot, OJ. Don't
And that
touch.
is heating too.
Okay, we put the spaghetti in, ziti, and we let it boil for 20 minutes. And the sauce is boiling. It's on super low. It's simmering.
Almost ready. The tomato sauce.
Done for now. Let it cook. 20 minutes. Here's the bread.
It's ready to eat now.
But we're gonna cook it. We're gonna cook it a little bit more. We'll wait. It needs another minute. We'll turn it on after this is done.
There is still boiling.
Okay, here it is. The macaroni,
Here is.
ziti, and spaghetti. It's ready.
It's ready. And we put now in the strainer.
Let's look at the sauce. See if it's
And
ready.
there is the sauce.
Let's get it in a mix.
It's cooked. It's ready to eat, RJ. You eat, RJ, huh?
Hamburger meat inside here.
Yeah.
At McDonald's. Hamburger meat. With tomato. You know tomato from the garden?
Yep.
Tomato sauce. Come from tomato. Teach RJ.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
There you go. That's the
Let's straighten it out.
strainer here.
Straighten it.
Yep, there it is.
RJ, make that straight. Like that. Okay.
There it is.
A lot of leftover.
Super hot. It's steaming. There is a lot of leftover. Eat, RJ.
There she is.
Ready to serve.
Ready to serve.
I think it's cooked now, this one. Here's the bread. Ta-da! See, it's cooked now. Honey.
Okay.
Turn off.
Let me get a paper plate.
There it is. I flipped that one.
I was wondering if it was even on both sides. Good job.
There is the bread. So yummy. Here is Daddy. And mine. And RJ, eat RJ. You don't want the bread, RJ.
Okay.
And this is turned up now.
Turn it off.
Here you go. It's ready to eat.
There's an unmuted one.
Okay, the final product is the final product.
A lot more spaghetti than ziti.
Yep.
Okay, that's good. Yep,
The meat sauce here.
meat sauce, that's what we call it.
What on it?
Meat sauce.
Yeah, there is. Yummy. There you go.
There
There
you
it is.
go. We don't have any
You
grated
put
cheese.
here first. I take picture.
And there she is.
There it is.
Look at that. That's my plate.
It's the daddy plate.
Mommy, help herself. There's lots more.
And that's it, the cooking for tonight. And
that's it.
that's the final product, guys. There you go.
Uh,
It's look delicious. You taste, honey.
okay, I'll taste.
There you go.
The taste
Taste.
test.
What tastes like?
Taste test for daddy.
It's yummy.
Yep, yummy.
Oh, yummy
It
and
is done.
delicious. Here you go.
Save some for RJ.
What's a pouch?
Okay, there it is. Okay, that's it, guys.
That's it.
And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye for now.